Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the controller and confirming its type so Siege recognizes it. Plug in a USB cable or pair via Bluetooth. USB gives steadier latency. Once done, install or update drivers and open Steam Big Picture mode if you plan to use Steam's controller support. Make sure Windows detects the device under controllers. If it's an Xbox controller, X input is native. For others, you'll rely on Steam input or third-party mapping. This foundation prevents input issues later. You now configure bindings so the controller feels intuitive in Siege. Open Steam Big Picture or Ubisoft Connect and set controller support to forced on our gamepad. Next, remap buttons. Assign aim, fire, gadgets, sprint, melee, and lean to comfortable buttons. Once mapped, tune aim sensitivity and dead zones in small steps while testing in a private match. Change trigger dead zone and response curves to avoid drift or sluggish triggers. This iterative tuning makes your inputs predictable during high-pressure rounds. Finish by validating your setup under real conditions so adjustments are meaningful. You should jump into a private match and test movement, adds, recoil compensation, and gadget swaps. Tweak sensitivity for different weapon classes. Once satisfied, save profiles for attackers and defenders or link profiles to maps. If something goes wrong, reconnect the controller, update firmware and drivers, or reset the Steam input profile. Make sure no conflicting Xbox/third-party mapping tools run. This final pass ensures consistency in competitive play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.